Someone said about all they could take on their birthday. Keegan, are you 3 today? 5? You're not 5.
No.
You are? I thought you were 3. Oh, okay. Like the family nap. Okay, I'm into it. I'm up for it. Do you like your puppy, Keegan? Do you like Lucky? Yeah, he's a good boy, isn't he?
Can I play the piano?
Just a minute, honey. Keegan, are you ready for your stories, honey? Hey, Daddy. Hi.
Hi. This is cool.
He's very cool. Where's my Chloe?